look at what I have. I have a farm animals bingo board, and I have an egg basket. And today we're gonna find some eggs with farm animals inside, cross them off until we find every single one, and put the eggs in here. Let's go. All right, we have to find the eggs. Oh, do you see an egg? Oh, I see it. Yeah, down there. It's the color purple. All right, here we go. I'm excited. Okay, let's take the egg, open it up. Whoa, that's not a farm animal. It's a little toy, an insect toy. All right, let's put that in here and let's find some eggs. So we haven't found any farm animals yet. That's okay. Do you see an egg? Whoa, I see an egg, do you? Yeah, up there. That egg is the color pink. Oh, all right. Oh, all right, we have a pink egg. Let me set this down. Let's open it up. Oh, yeah! We have a farm animal. Look! All right, what animal is this? Yeah, this is a cow. All right, put the cow in here, and let's cross off the cow. All right, let's see. Horse, chicken, pigs, duck, mice, sheep, cow. All right, right here, cow. So, let's cross it off. Yeah! Good job! All right, we need to find some more eggs. Oh, do you see an egg? Yeah, I see an egg. Look! It's a pink egg. Oh, look! It's a pink egg. Ooh, this is a special egg. Watch this. Whoa! That was a confetti egg. No animal in there, so we have to keep on looking. Here's an egg. This one's easy. You see it? Yeah, that is the color yellow. All right, I wonder if there's an animal inside. Yeah, an animal. Okay, what kind of animal is this? Huh, looks like a chicken. Yeah. All right, so we have horses, chicken. All right, let's cross it off. All right, we have 1, 2 crossed off. All right, let's keep on looking. Whoa, I see another egg. Come here. Do you see it? Yeah, there it is. That egg is the color purple. All right, let's see what this egg has inside. Ooh, this purple egg has an animal in it. Yeah, good job. All right, what animal is this? Looks like, yeah, it's a duck. Horses, pigs, duck, right there. Let's take our orange marker and cross off duck. Awesome, good job. Ooh, all right, we need to find some more eggs because we have a lot of animals to find. Oh, there's one right there. Come here. Wow, this was an easy one to find. And this egg is the color orange. All right. Whoa, interesting. Let's see what's inside. Oh, yum! No animals in there, but there is a lot of tasty candy. Put that in there. Let's go find some animals. Oh, I already see one. Do you see it? Look way over there. Yeah, a purple egg. Come on. All right, let's put my basket right here. You see it? Perfect. All right, put my marker right there. Now we can grab the purple egg. Oh, perfect. Purple egg. All right, let's open it up. Yeah, an animal. Oh, what animal is this? Oh, yeah, it's a bird. Chirp, 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 chirp. All right, we need to cross off the bird. Okay, let's find bird. Horses, pigs, mice, sheep, birds. There we go. All right, let's take our marker, and here we go. Make an X right there. Perfect. Birds are done. So, I dropped the egg. We need to continue to look and find some more eggs. Oh my! I see another one. Do you see it? Yeah, it's way over there. It's the color orange. Go get it. Okay, put this down right there. Oh, yes, an orange egg. All right, let's open it up. Oh yeah, I love these. So it's not an animal, but it is a parachuting toy. Let's go in the grass and throw it, okay? All right, here I go. Yeah, that was awesome. All right, let's go get some more eggs. Okay, put that right there. All right, come on. Oh, do you see what I see? Yeah, I see another egg. Good job. It's the color blue. All right, here it is. You see? Oh, yeah. Oh, another special one. Get ready. Whoa! Confetti egg. All right, come on. Oh, I see one. Yeah, it's down there. You see it? Yeah, that is the color blue. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's take it off. Ooh, it's not making any noise. Yeah! Awesome! Another animal. What animal is this? Yeah, this is a pig. All right, let's cross off the pig. Horses, pigs. Perfect. Cross it off. I love using charts and graphs, and playing bingo keeps all your animals nice and organized. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X's, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Perfect. Let's keep looking. Oh, another one. Do you see it? Yeah, over there. Yeah, this egg is the color pink. Yeah. All right. Let's see what's inside. Perfect. Oh, look. Yeah, this is a mouse. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. Okay, let's find mouse. Rooster, sheep, mice. Yeah, mouse and mice are the same thing, but mice means more than one mouse. So let's cross it off. There we go. Good job. Oh, do you see another egg? I do. It's really far away. And it's in the grass. Yeah, right over there. Come here. Good job. This egg is the color purple. Ooh. I wonder what's inside. All right. Oh, yeah, look. Whoa. Let's see, what animal is this? Is it a horse? Nah. A sheep? Nah. Is it a rooster? Yeah. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. I love acting like a rooster. All right, let's cross it off. Great job. All right, There we go. So we have sheep and horses left. All right, let's go. Oh, right over here. Ooh. Do you see another egg? Yeah, there's an egg right here. Perfect. This egg is the color pink. Great. Let's see what's inside. Oh, yum! Marshmallows! Oh, I'll save these for later. Right there. There you go. All right, let's go find another egg. I see another egg. Come here. Oh, perfect! Look at this egg. This egg is the color yellow. Perfect. Let's see what's inside. Hey. Whoa! A truck! Ring, 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 ring. Well, that wasn't an animal, so I think we need to go find some more eggs. Come on. I see one. Do you see it? Yeah, right here. Perfect. This egg is the color green. Whoa! No noise. Bet you know what that means. Whoa! Another animal. What animal is that? Yeah, it's a sheep. Let's cross it off. All right. Whoa, one left. Good job. We need more eggs. Oh, look. Do you see what I see? Yeah, another egg. This egg is the color green. Let's open it up. Yeah, another animal. You know what animal this is. Yeah, it's a horse. And that's the last animal on our sheet that we need. Let's check it off. Yeah, good job. We got all of the animals. Yeah, now for our prize. Great. Let's see what's inside. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Looks like we have a blue and orange airplane. All right. All right, what else? Oh, an orange Jeep. Open it up. Yeah! Awesome! Ring, ring! Ring, 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 ring! Ring, ring, ring! What else? Ooh, an elephant. Ooh, a dinosaur. Whoa, so cool. Another egg. Yeah, good job! Ooh, Slinky. Whoa! Ooh, a backhoe toy. And a blue race car. Wow, that was awesome!
The ducks on the farm go quack, quack. The chickens on the farm go cluck, cluck. The birds chirp, chirp while the farmers at work go. These are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds. The pigs on the farm go oink, oink. The horse on the farm goes neigh, neigh. The mice go squeak when the farmer's asleep. Oh, these are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds. The sheep on the farm go baa, baa. The cow on the farm goes moo. And the rooster wakes everyone up saying cock-a-doodle-doo. On the farm, these are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds. And the ducks quack, quack. The chickens cluck, cluck. The birds chirp, chirp while the farmer's at work. The pigs oink, oink. The horses neigh, neigh. The mice squeak, squeak. And the sheep baa, baa. And the cows moo. And the rooster wakes everyone up saying on the farm, these are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds.
Whoa! Now that is awesome! All right. Egg pinata time. Yeah! Yeah! Good job! Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. See you again. Bye-bye.
Yeah! Nice music! Woohoo! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just grooving to some tunes. Check this out, though. Do you see this? This is a tie-dye shirt, and today you and I are gonna make a tie-dye shirt. Wow, it's so colorful. Let's list all these colors. Up top, there is the color blue. Yeah. And then below that, looks like it's the color pink or red. Pinkish red. And then we have yellow, like the color of the sun. And then we have orange at the bottom. Do you see it? Whoa! This shirt is so groovy. All right, let's go get some supplies and make our very own tie-dye shirt. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Check it out. We have all the materials and supplies we need to make our tie-dye shirt. All right, we don't need this because we're gonna make one. So, first you start with a white t-shirt. Yeah, like this, see? And then you take a dye. Yeah, let's see, a fabric dye. This is the orange fabric dye. This one is red. This one is blue. This one is purple. And this one is yellow. And then we have some rubber bands, and you tie the shirt really tight, then you spray the dye on it, but you have to wear your gloves or else your hands are gonna get stained. I don't want that. And then we have a bag for later. I'll show you what that's all about. And the water. Okay, so first step, we need to get the shirt wet. Just like that. Let's get it nice and wet. Wow. The water's really cold. Okay, squeeze out all the water. Whoa. We're so strong. All right, and then let's lay the t-shirt out on the table. Yeah, and the cool thing about tie-dye is you can do so many different designs, and it's all about how you twist and crunch the shirt and wrap the rubber bands around it. So let's do a swirl. I love swirls. Yeah, kind of like ice cream swirls. I love ice cream. Okay, here we go. So you just twist it, swirl it. Oh, perfect. Wow, I'm so excited to pick the colors. Okay, there we go. And then you have a nice bunched up shirt. You could even bunch it, but I chose to swirl it. And then you take these rubber bands and wrap them around the top and the bottom of the shirt, just like this. Yeah, this white shirt is gonna be so colorful. All right, there's 2 rubber bands. Here is 3 rubber bands. Perfect, this is looking so good. And then here's the 4th rubber band. Wow, will you count to 4 with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. All right, now we get to pick our colors. But remember, let's put on our gloves. Okay, here we go. 1 glove. 2 gloves. 1, 2. All right, let's see. We have a lot of colors. I know, I think I'm gonna choose 2 colors, my 2 favorite colors. Do you know what colors they are? Yeah, I bet you do. Yeah, blue and orange. All right, here's the 2 colors. And then, take the caps off. And then you get to squirt the shirt in whatever way you want. I'm gonna squirt some blue right there. I'll skip some and squirt some blue right there. How about some blue right there? and some blue right there. Wow. The shirt was all white, but now what color is it? Yeah, there's two colors, blue and white. Yeah, all right, let's give it a little more. Wee, wee, wee. All right, so then the other color, like I said, is orange. So let's squirt that white and get it nice and orange. There we go. Wow, we are doing so good. There we go, perfect. Wow, amazing. Wow, this looks so good. Do you see it? We have blue and orange. All right, set that down. And now you take the big plastic bag and you put the shirt in there. And close it up. And now we get a weight, but you have to keep it in here for at least 6 hours. You can even do it up to 24 hours if you wanted to. The longer you keep it in this bag, the darker and more vibrant the colors are gonna be. I think we should probably wait 8 hours. So, let's wait. We're almost done waiting, but I think what we should do is mix two colors and see what color it makes. First, let's take our blue. Whoa, do you see that? Whoa, that's awesome. Wow, blue water. And then let's take, how about red? Hopefully it doesn't spill on me because I don't have my gloves on anymore. All right, here we go. Blue and red. Whoa, what color is that? I have my mixing tongs. Wow, yeah. Blue and red make the color purple. Wow, let's put a little bit more red in there. Wow, now it's a dark purple. Whoa, that's fun. Okay, well, I think our t-shirt has been in here for long enough. It's been about, multiple hours. So now I'm gonna go take this to the sink, take the rubber bands off, and rinse it off. And then I'm gonna go put it in the dryer. I'll be right back, okay? Wow, this is awesome. Our shirt is complete. Wow, all right, here it is. Do you see it? Wow, yeah, it's blue and orange. Can you see how where I swirled it? Right about there. Wow, that's so cool. Time to try it on. Wow, how do I look? That was awesome. I love making tie-dye shirts. Woo! Yeah! Woo-hoo! I sure do love tie-dye shirts. Wow! Maybe now, at home, you can make your very own tie-dye shirt. I am so excited to see the creation that you make. All right, well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right, see you later. Woo-hoo!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and look at what we got today. Whoa, it's a pool full of balls. Whoa, colorful balls. I wonder what's inside. Whoa, whoa, look, it's an excavator.
I'm an excavator, excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. I've got a
Blippi ball pit, Blippi ball pit. Whee! Blippi ball pit, Blippi ball pit. Whee! Blippi ball pit, Blippi ball pit. Whee! Whee! Whee!
Whoa! Let's look at a couple more of these colors in depth. Okay, a blue ball, a pink ball, red ball, orange ball, ooh, purple ball. Wow. Ooh, I think that's all. Ooh, tan ball. Yellow ball, red ball, green ball, purple ball, orange ball, red ball, blue ball, pink ball.
Ball, 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 ball.
Oh, and look at what toy it is. It's a boat. Now that we know all our colors, what color is this boat? Yeah, it's the color yellow and red. Blippi!
Floating down the river, sailing on the sea, cruising on the ocean, boats are for me. I saw a boat pulling another, I didn't know the boat, so I asked my mother, she said that's a tugboat, son. I saw a boat going faster and farther, I didn't know the boat, so I asked my father, he said that's a speedboat, son. I saw a boat full of fishermen, I saw a boat full of businessmen, I saw a boat, you know what it was doing? Oh, floating down the river, sailing on the sea.
Whoa! These balls are so colorful. Wow! Like this ball. This is the color blue. Or like this one. This one's the color red. Or like this one. This one's the color green. Woohoo! Whoa! Here's another green ball. 1, 2 green balls. 3 green balls. Wow! And 4 green balls. Whoa! Whee! Whoa! Whee! Whoa! Whoa! Look at what it is! It's a green tractor.
Tractors work all day, tractors work all night. Gotta bale that hay, gotta bale it tight. They can be different colors, green, red, or blue,
Or yellow, or purple.
I wish I could drive one.
I wish I could too.
Tractors, oh tractors, they're so much fun. Tractors, oh tractors, they get the job done.
Yay! Whoa! Whee! Ooh! Look at what we found this time! Yeah! Wow! Whoa! Look! Whoopsies! It's a garbage truck!
The dump. He backs up to a pile of all the trash from the town and dumps the whole thing out. Garbage trucks, garbage trucks, driving through the town, picking cans up off the ground. Garbage trucks.
Finding toys in the pool full of colorful balls. Whee! If you want to watch this video again, just search Blippi Ball Pit. Whee! Whee!
B-L-I-B-B-I, yeah!
So much to learn about. If you wanna